Printing a 2x2 photo with your iPhone.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to walk through the process of printing a 2x2 photo directly from your iPhone. This is a commonly needed size for things like passports, IDs, or other official documents.
Checking your printer settings.
Before we get started, it's important to ensure your printer is capable of printing 2x2 photos and is properly connected to your iPhone. This can be done by checking the settings on your printer and ensuring it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone.
Selecting your photo.
Navigate to the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you've chosen the photo you want to print, select the photo and tap the Share button. This will bring up a range of options, including the option to print.
Adjusting the photo size.
In the options presented, select the Print option. Once you've selected Print, you'll see another menu with print options, including the option to adjust the size. You want to select the 2x2 option under Print Sizes. Please note, not all iPhones or printers have a built-in 2x2 photo print option. If this is the case, you may need to use an additional app such as Print to Size to properly resize your photo before printing.
Printing your photo.
Now, select your printer from the list of available printers and tap Print. Your photo will now print in the 2x2 size you selected. And there you have it. Now you know how to print a 2x2 photo directly from your iPhone. This method is simple and quick, allowing you to get your photo in the size you need whenever you need it. Happy printing!